If you are running Amazon ads and not getting the result you wanted, it could be because you are not using the right bidding strategy. There are three main bidding strategies that Amazon PPC provides, and if you are not leveraging them correctly, this could be a big reason of not getting the result you wanted. And I am here to make sure that doesn't happen. We are spending millions of dollars monthly on Amazon PPC, and we know how important it is to understand ins and out of a bidding strategy to improve the results. And in this video, I will show you how each of these three bidding strategy can be used and also how you can optimize them to get the best results. So let's dive in. So the main three bidding strategies are dynamic bids down only, dynamic bids up and down, and fixed bids. So let's start with the dynamic bids down only, which is the mostly used one. Dynamic bids down only strategies allows Amazon to lower your bid when it less likely to convert. These strategies are fantastic when you are using to scale up your profit and you just looking for to get sales in profitable way and like keep the lower A costs. Also, if you are unsure about which types of bidding strategy you can start for a campaign, the dynamic bid down only strategy is the safest. The second bidding strategy is dynamic bid up and down. In this bidding strategy, Amazon can increase your bid up to 100%. So if you are bidding $2 and you are using the bidding strategy up and down, Amazon can maximum charge you $4 when it seems like your item is more likely to convert into a sales. Now this might sound risky, but if you are launching any new product or targeting a new keywords and you are unsure about the market data, then these types of bidding strategy will give you the data to work on in the next bidding strategy. Also, if you want to gain more traffic, impressions and clicks, then this bidding strategy will help you to gather those data. And once you have those data, then you can refine them and move into the dynamic bid down only strategy. The third one is the fixed bid. And this is a much aggressive one where you will set up a bid and Amazon will not increase it or decrease it. And these types of bidding strategy mostly used to rank any keywords. So for example, if you want to rank a keyword, then you want to show your product more often. But if you use other two bidding strategy, it may increase or decrease your bidding based on when it's less likely to convert, and it may impact your ranking. So fixed bid always help you to show your product on the top search, and it will help you to get all this traffic related to that keyword and help you to get ranked. These types of bidding strategy mostly used in exact match keyword campaign. So it helps to get more traffic for that exact keyword and ultimately help to rank up for that keyword. And when you have ranked for that keyword, you can move into some other bidding strategies. Now, as you can see, these three types of bidding strategy are using for three different types of purpose. So whenever you are using these types of bidding strategy, the way you will optimize it, that will be also different. So let me show you how you can optimize them. Even though you are using different types of bidding strategy, your campaign result will be good. The first one we discussed was dynamic bid down only, and these types of bidding strategy mostly used in performance based campaign. So you are looking for a good ACOS, higher sales amount. So whenever you will see your ACOS is going up or your sales are going down, then you will optimize the bid based on your keywords performance. And also you can negate some keywords to solely focus on profitable keywords in these types of bidding strategy. The second one was up and down bidding strategy. As these types of bidding strategy used for newly launched product or keyword, so your main goal will be get visibility like impression, clicks. So whenever you will see you are getting less impression on clicks, then you can adjust the bid to get more traffic and visibility. And whenever you will see you are getting a good amount of impressions, clicks, then you can move into them in the profitable targeting by using dynamic bids down only. The third one is the fixed bid, and these types of bidding strategy often used to rank up any keywords or product. And if you are seeing your product or keyword ranking going up, you can continue running this campaign. And if you are seeing your keyword or product rank are not improving, then you might need to adjust your bidding in these types of bidding strategy, as you are using a fixed bid and it will not go up and down automatically. And you can use tools like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout to track your keyword rank so that you can optimize your campaign with accurate data. These three Amazon PPC bidding strategy will help you to grab customer attention in different stages of marketing funnel. So for example, whenever you want to gain profitable sale, you can use dynamic bid downs only. And when the item is new, the keywords is new, and you are struggling to get impressions and clicks, then you can go dynamic bid up and down. This will create customer awareness about your product. And whenever you want to rank for any keyword and improve your product rank, then you can move into the fixed bid. And this will help you to improve your product rank organically. So ultimately, it will help you to grow your organic sales along with the PPC sales. So hopefully you can adjust your campaign bidding strategy and gain the result you wanted. And if you still face any issue, you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. We will do you a free audit and help you to understand where you have the lackings and how you can improve it. And if you want some more helpful blogs, you can visit our website. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.